Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. Like previously we have done many of the stuff using many different languages and I hope you enjoy all the things which we have done yet. So today we are building an amazing different project using different language because like you all know that previously we have built many of the clones, apps and website using React.js, Next.js like languages. So today I'm building a different project in the demo. You have also seen what the project is and how we are building it from start to end. So today I will be telling you how to build an amazing project of this amazing chat gpt will be building. And this chat gpt, like you all know that it is now really famous because chat gpt is in the, like you can say that it is the combination of the things. It is competing google, and you can also see in the documents that it is saying that google will kill by this amazing chat gpt. So we are building this amazing chat gpt with ai using JavaScript. So this video will be really helpful because this chat GPT is built using JavaScript and in AI. So we will be also using AI to build this amazing chat GPT in JavaScript. So remember to see this video if you want to learn how to build this amazing chat GPT using JavaScript. And if you want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe button and also share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit and they can also learn how to build this amazing chat GPT app using AI and JavaScript. So just if you enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button and also share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of this amazing chat GPT app like we are building. And also share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things. So I'll be uploading more videos like that in future also. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to build this amazing chat GPT app using AI in JavaScript. So just like I've telling you, we'll be working with ChatGPT and I'll be telling you how to build an amazing ChatGPT AI using JavaScript. So now we'll be starting to build this ChatGPT. So many things you have to work with this ChatGPT. This is not the normal project which we are building. It is totally different. So I'll be telling you start to and how to work with this ChatGPT, how to make its folder and how to make this from start to end using its codes, which are really important. So now you have to understand all the things which I'm telling you from starting. First of all, you have to open your Google Chrome. Then you have to just download two things. First of all, you have to download your VS Code text editor. So here you have to move on VS Code, and this is the VS Code text editor. You all know that because previously on when we were working with our clones, websites or apps, we were using this code editor of VS Code. So when you have installed this VS Code text editor by just downloading from Windows or any other operating system which you are having, when you've installed that, you have to install Node.js also in your PC. So you have to move right here Node.js and then download it. So you can download its latest version and you can see what are the things included. So here you can download its latest version. So I'll be telling you how to download because I have also not downloaded the latest version. I have also having the old version. So I'll be downloading the latest version. You can see it will be taking some time to download. So you have to wait a while till it is downloading your latest version. You have to move to your downloads to check it is installing or not. So it will be taking some time to download. So you have to wait a while till it is downloading. So remember to do these two things. First of all, you have to download your VS Code, then do this Node.js. So now it has been installed. I will be directly opening it. So I'll be moving here, press open directly from here, run it, and then it will be asking, and then you have to press next, accept it, press next again. Then here you have to select the location where you have to download. I'll be pressing next, 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 and then install. So it will be installing Node.js in your command, in your operating system. You can see removing some of the previous files of Node.js, installing the new version, and it is also removing the shortcut files and other files also which we will be not needing related to old Node.js. Yeah, and now it is installing new files and copying new files in our operating system. And then you can see now you have to move to command prompt. Here when you install this, you have to check the Node.js. If you want to check Node.js version and if you want to confirm that your Node.js latest version is installed or not, so you have to write the command here Node.js. So write here Node.js -v. Okay, sorry, by mistake I've written -c. You have to write -v. If I zoom in, you can see this is the command node.js -v, and you have to give space. Press enter. So you can see it is saying that Node.js is not a command here. So we cannot see Node.js here. So we have to move to our VS Code. So when you have installed your VS Code, you have to directly open that from your desktop. Now in this folder, we have to create a new folder. We will be not working with our own folder. So from terminal, we will be checking the Node.js version here. So first of all, I will be moving here and I will be making one folder. So I'll be moving in local disk E. Then I will be giving it the name as folder. So here I will be writing open, and then here I will be giving it the name as OpenAI dash. Then I will be writing here codex. This will be our folder. Yes. Now I can see I have made this folder here. Now when you open this folder, you have to just do one thing. Open VS Code again, and we have created one folder. You can give any of the name. I have given it the name as open underscore uh, AI underscore codex. So here I will be opening my folder directly from local disk E where we have created this, and then our folder name was open. This is the folder. Press open. Now I can see I have opened this folder. So this is my previous folder. I will be now doing one thing. I will be making a new window directly from here. Close previous window. And now we are containing all this stuff in this. So here, when you are having these all things, you have to just move in this tag like this. And then when you are in this tag, just when you install Node.js and all these things, you have to move to your VS Code here. Then we will be opening our folder directly from local disk E, which was named as open. So this was our folder OpenAI codex. Now here I've opened my folder. So you have to move to new terminal, and we are getting these all stuff. So I will be telling you how we are getting. You have to install Node. When you have installed Node.js, so you have to write node.js-v. So you have to check Node.js command. So you have to write -v. So you will be checking that how the Node.js is and what are the things included in this thing. So when you are getting all this stuff, here I will be now just moving, and then you have to write here just like this. And now here you have to just run it. So here I will be writing npm run development server. So you have to run this. You can see now it is running our server. So you can see it is saying that package JSON is here. But here you have to now just write a tag which should be like npm run server. Press enter. So here you have to move in this tag. And then when you've created these all stuff, here you have to now just do one thing. Here you have to move in this tag, and you can see we have created all this stuff here. So when you've written this thing, just here I will be doing one thing. I'll be moving here at the back. Now here you have to just do like you have to now move in this folder, and then you have to give it the name as. So here I will be moving, and then you have to just give it the new folder. So you can see we are containing all these files. Then you have to move in this file, and directly here I will be opening it through my desktop. So here I will be opening it through my desktop. So on my local disk C, I was containing the folder of open vi. So here we were containing OpenAI codex. This was our folder. Here this was our server. Then I will be opening it. You can see this containing nothing. So here I'll be doing it side by side. Then when you've written this, press Ctrl B here. Now when you've written these all things, here we are getting this stuff. So here you have to now just write the title, anything. So here I will be giving the title of codex dash your AI like this. Then when you've written this, save this thing. Now here I will be writing link, then right here your file name, save, reload. So you can see we are getting these all stuff. Now when you're getting this thing, just here I will be now moving in this tag. Then here you have to just write here a tag which will be like Node.js. Then when you've written this, here I will be just now writing -v. So here I will be writing like this. So here I will be now just moving here. Then here I will be writing like this. And now you can see we are getting all this stuff. Now when you are getting this thing, just here you have to run, and then you have to just see that it is working or not. So when you are getting all this thing, here I will be moving. Then you have to just write here a tag which should be like, here I will be opening Node.js download. So we are on the download. Then these are the latest features here. So here you have to open this latest one, and then you can download this latest one. So you can check the latest features here of Node.js. So you can see this is the thing which we are getting. So here I'll be writing node. So I will be moving here, right here node-v. So here I will be writing node-v. So you can see we are getting this version. Now when you're getting this whole thing here, you can also see the version which you are getting here. So we are getting the version of node-v5 press. You can see this is the version which we are getting in our Node.js, because we have updated that when we have installed. So when you have installed all this stuff, we have to create a new folder here directly. So here I will be now moving in this. Then I will be just moving here. Then you have to just write here open underscore. Then you have to write AI. Then here I will be creating this folder in local disk app. So here I will be now deleting this, move here. Then I will be now creating new folder directly. So here you have to press folder and then give it the name as open. Then I will be writing here AI and write here codex. Then you have to press here like this, enter, move to this file VS Code. Now when you've written this, just you have to close this file from here, then move to file, press open folder, and our folder was named as open. Then this was our folder which we have created. You can give any of the name. I've given it the name as OpenAI Codex underscore. I've also written. Now when you've created all this stuff here, I'll be pressing new terminal. Now you have to check the node version. So you can see this is our node version 18.12.1, which is the not the latest. It is recommended for most user version. You can also download this version, or if you have old version of Node.js, if you have done previously also, you can install that version. So when you've installed this Node.js version, and when you have installed the VS Code, so you have to just move down, and after moving down you have to just write the command here. So here I will be now writing npm, then you have to just write here install, and here I'll be writing @white latest. So you have to write like this, and you can just work with this like now. So when you've written these all things, just you have to do another thing like now here. If I just show you, you can see we have just written, we have to write this command which I am telling you. So here you have to write this command npm create. Then here I will be writing white latest, like this one command which I have telling you to write. So here you have to write this command, and when you've written this command, just you have to now write this client. Then you have to write template, and then after this you have to write here vanilla. Now you have to write this command. First of all, you have to see the node version, write this command, press enter. You have to first of all create the folder, like I've created this empty folder. Now it will be asking you the framework, so you have to select this vanilla here, press JavaScript because we are working with JavaScript. So now it is saying this here, this mkday is already created here. So now you have to just write a tag here like this one. Now I can see we are containing all this thing. So here if I just press this, so here you can see it is saying that open AI codex. So now just file local disk e. So here this is saying that this mkdir folder is created. So here I will be now doing one thing. I will be giving it the rename. So here I will be renaming this folder and then giving it other name. So here I will be closing this folder. Then I will be moving here. Then I will be renaming this. So you have to rename this. Then I will be giving it the name as OpenAI. Then here I will be writing my name. You can also write here I have written in Shah, so you can write your name also as well. Then here I will be writing VS Code again like this. Then when you open your VS Code, open your folder again directly from the same location where we have saved that. So this is our folder, and here we are getting this thing like this open. So here this is the folder. Now when you have opened, here I will be moving to terminal. Then again we have to check the node version which is same. Right here npm install, then right here you have to write npm create. Then here I will be writing white @latest. So here I will be writing latest, and you have to give the space here. Then you have to write here client dash template. Then here you have to write vanilla, then press enter. And now you have to just wait a while. So you have to press this, and you can see it is saying that mkdir f path. Here it is saying it is now, it cannot be created because it is not giving the permission. So here I will be closing this, then move here, and then here I will be dragging dropping this folder which we are containing here. So I will be writing open, then I will be dragging dropping this folder in local disk E. Now here we will be getting this folder here. So now you can see this is the folder OpenAI install. So here I will be opening again VS Code. Now here I will be opening my folder. So here I will be opening new window, and then you have to close the previous one, and then here I will be opening my folder with local disk E. So your folder should be empty, like I've created new folder which is empty in local disk E. So my folder is totally empty. You can see nothing is containing here, just the name. Now we have to create things in this folder. So for creating, first of all, again we have to check the node version which is same. Now when you are getting here, you have to write npm. Then here I'll be writing create white. Then here I'll be writing @latest. Then I will be giving space, and then after giving space, you have to just now write another thing which should be like client. Then here I will be writing dash template like this. Then when you've written this, give a space and write here vanilla like this. Press enter. Now you will be seeing that we are just we will be getting this framework. Now you have to select this vanilla again, press enter. Now here it is downloading, and it will be saying that you can work with that. So here we have to write cd client because we have to install some of the things in this. So you can see we are getting this folder in which we are containing all these things. You have to write this command to get this folder. Now when you're getting this here, we have to now just write the command which should be like npm install to install all the node modules which we will be needing in this ChatGPT AI. So here now it is installing all the node modules which we will be needing here. So now here it has installed. If I show you, you can see now when it is installed these all things, you have to just do one thing here. I will be moving here, delete this counter.js file from here directly, not this one, this one. So here I will be now deleting this counter.js. Then you have to just move in this public folder, and you can see we are containing all this stuff. Now I am having one ss folder in which I am containing all my files and images which I will be needing in this project. So here this is my ss folder. Here I will be copying this folder. So here I will be now just copying this folder. Then I will be moving to local disk E where we were having our folder of OpenAI install. This was our folder. This is our client server. Then I will be pasting my folder of assist here. Now you can see we are getting assist folder here. You have to copy this favy icon from here, and when you have copied this, you have to paste in this text. So here I will be pasting it. So you can see now we have pasted this. When you've written and paste this here, you have to delete this white.svg. Now we have erased this. Now when you've done that, here you have to move to your main file here, which is this one. So here when you are in your main file, just you have to now erase this white.svg, and here I will be giving it the name as favicon.ico, which is our icon name. Save this, then give it the title. Here I will be giving it the title as Codex Your AI. Now you have to save these all things, and when you've written this thing, just here I will be erasing this script, but it should be written here. So I will be moving down after this tag. Then here I will be writing div id chat container. So here I will be writing chat container. Now you have to just move down after this, right here form. Now you have to write this all things and then move down, right here text area. In name you have to write prompt, and then you have to just erase this id from here. And after erasing, here I will be writing rows which should be 1, column should be 1, then right here placeholder which should be ask codex, then write 3 dots, and after writing here you have to move down, right here button type is equals to submit. So now here if I just show you, we have just done till here. So we have written this assist, then we have written this send.svg. So you have to write these all stuff, and when you've written this, you have to run this. So for running this, move to new terminal. Then here I will be writing cd client, which is our folder. Then you have to move in this folder. Then you have to run the command which should be like npm run dev. Now you have to press enter. So now it will be running your server. You can see now it is running, and our localhost is this. So here I will be opening my Opera. Then I will be just now opening my localhost here. So directly here I will be double clicking. So it will be redirecting me. And then here when you've written these all things, here I will be pressing like this. Now you have to just write like this. Then here I will be now opening my Opera browser again. Then you have to just when you've opened this thing, just here I will be closing these all stuff. Then you have to wait a while till it is doing all this thing. Here I'll be writing http, then here I'll be writing localhost, and when you've written this, here I will be writing 5173/. Now when you've written this, here I will be pressing enter. So you can see now it is giving the error. This codex your AI is giving error, but we are getting our favy icon at the top. So now we have to solve this error. So for solving this error, now we have to do it side by side. So we'll be getting all the codes. Press Ctrl B. Okay, so we will be needing this. So now here I will be doing it side by side. Coding side should be bigger. And now it is giving error. So error is giving because now we have to move in this file, which is our main, this one. So here I will be giving it the name as script.js. So right here is script.js. Then here save this, reload. So you can see now when I am not reloaded, so we are containing all these things like we will be needing. It is only saying ask codex. Now when it is saying these all things, here I will be now removing all this stuff because here we will be writing our own code. So you can see now we are getting this. And now when you're getting these all things here, You have to save. Then here you can see we have erased all the things. Then move here in this file. Then from here also I'll be removing. Now you have to save this thing. Then move here, and then we have to style this so we can get these all stuff styled. So for styling this, you have to now just style here by writing these all stuff. So here I will be now just writing here Control Z, and then when you're getting these all stuff here, I will be now just writing a tag which should be like this tag. Then here I will be writing margin which should be 0. Then write here padding 0. Now you have to write here box sizing which should be border box. Then here I will be writing font family which should be L G J. Then here I will be writing sans comma sans serif. Then you have to write body which should be having background. Then in background I will be just now writing here 343541. Then write here hashtag app. Then write here width which should be 100 VH. Write here height 100 VH. Then I will be writing here background. In background I will be writing 343541. Then write here display flags. Write here flags direction which should be column. Write here align items center. Then write here justify content in space between. Then I will be writing chat container. Then I will be just writing here flex 1. Write here width 100%. Then when you've written this here, I will be now just moving down. Write here height 100%. Then write here overflow y which should be scroll. Then I will be writing display flex. Write here flex direction which should be column. Then I will be writing here gap 10 pixel. Then when you've written this here, I will be writing ms overflow. Then I will be writing here style which should be column, or you can say here I will be writing none. Then I will be writing scroll bar dash. So here I will be writing none. So here I will be writing scroll bar width none. Then I will be writing here padding bottom which should be 20 pixel. Write here scroll behavior like this. Now when you've written this here, I will be now just writing here scroll behavior smooth. Now here you have to move down. Write here chat container. So here I will be writing chat underscore container like this. Then here I will be writing dash webkit dash. Then here I will be writing scroll bar. Then write here display none. Then I will be writing dot wrapper. Here I will be writing width 100%. Write here padding 15 pixel. Write here dot AI. Then write here background 404. Then here I will be now writing app. Now here you have to move down. After moving down here you have to now write dot chat. So here I will be writing right here width 100%. Then right here max width which should be 1280 pixel. Right here margin. Then I will be writing 0 auto. Now you have to write display flex. Then right here flex direction which should be row like this. Now you have to move down. Right here align items flex start. Now when you've written this here I will be writing gap 10 pixel. Right here dot profile. Right width 36 pixel. Right here height 36 pixel. Then I will be writing here border radius 5 pixel. Right here background. So here I will be giving space. Then right here background 5436 BA. Then when you've written this here I will be writing display. So here you have to write display flex. Right here justify content center. Then I will be writing align items center. Then save. Here you have to reload. So here you can see we are getting all this stuff. Now you have to move. Right here AI dot profile. Right here background which should be 10A37F. Now save, and then you have to move down after this tag. And after moving here I will be writing profile. Then I will be writing here image width 60%. Right here height 60%. Now here you have to write object fit contain. Now you have to just move down. Right here dot message. Then you have to just move down after this. Right here flex 1. Right here color. In color I will be writing DC. Right here font size 20. Then right here max width, which should be 100%. Then right here overflow x. Then right here scroll. Now we have to link this file from our this one file. So for linking this, you have to move down, right here link, then right here this thing reload. So now you can see we are getting all this stuff here. Now when you're getting move in this file again, and when you're getting all this stuff here, I will be moving after this right here white space, which should be pre-wrap. Then right here ms overflow style none. Then I will be writing scroll bar width none. Then when you've written this here, I will be writing message. Then right here dash webkit dash, right here scroll bar, then right here display none. Then I will be writing form width, which should be 100%. Then right here max width, so here I will be writing max width 1280. Then right here margin 0 auto, right here padding 10 pixel. Then I will be writing here background 40414f, like this. Then here you have to move down, but before this here I will be moving down. Right here display flag, right here flex direction, which should be row. There I'll be writing here gap 10 pixel, like this. Right here text area, right width 100%. Then here I will be writing color white, right here font size 18 pixel. Then I will be writing padding 10 pixel here. Then I will be writing here background, which should be transparent. Then here you have to write border radius. I will be writing here 5 pixel. Then I will be just writing here border none. Then when you've written this here, I will be now just writing this right here outline none. Now here you have to write button. Then after writing this here, I will be now just moving here, and then I will be writing here outline none, or you can say 0. Then I will be writing here border also 0. Then here you have to write cursor pointer. Then right here background transparent. Now you have to move down. After moving down here, you have to write form image, right here width 30 pixel, right here height 30 pixel. Now here you have to save, and you can see if I just show you, we are getting these all stuff like this. Now when you're getting this thing, just here I will be doing one thing. You can see we are getting all this stuff here. So when you're getting these all things here, I will be now moving at the top. You can see we are getting these all things like this. Now when you're getting this thing, just here you have to now do one thing here. I will be now moving in this tag. You can see this all things here we have written. Now when you've written all this stuff here, you have to just write 0 auto, and then we are getting the max width 100%. And here you have to write webkit scroll bar. So you can see we have written this. Now when you've written this scroll bar width, and then here when you've written overflow style, here you have to just do one thing. You have to write white space. So here I will be now just writing flex 1. Then when you've written this here, I will be now just moving in this tag. Then when you've written this thing, just here I will be now moving in this tag. Then when you've written this thing, just here you have to now like this, and you can see we are getting all this stuff here. Now when you're getting these all things here, you have to now just write a tag like this thing, and you can see we are getting these all stuff here. Then here you can see when you're getting all this thing, just you have to now write these all stuff here like we are getting. So you can see we are just getting all this thing. Now when you're getting all this thing here, you have to now just write width VW here I will be writing. Then you can see now it is done, and we are getting it full like this. So now when you're getting all this stuff, it is now styled. So we have to now move to this file here after this tag, because now it has been done. So when you've written these all stuff here, I will be now writing like this thing. Now when you've written these all things here, I will be now just writing a script tag here. So here I will be moving in this. Then we have to style, so we will be getting all the stuff here. So I'll be writing import bot from. Then here I'll be writing /assist. I'll be writing bot.svg. Now when you've written this here, I will be just moving down. Right here import user. Then here I'll be writing from. Then right here /assist. Then here I'll be writing user.svg. Then here I will be writing const form. Now here we will be writing JavaScript codes. right here document dot query selector, right here form. Then you have to just close this tag right here const chat container. Then right here is equals to document dot query selector. Then here you have to write like this, and then right here chat container like this thing. Then you have to close this. Here you have to write let load interval. Then I will be writing here function, and you have to write here loader. Here I will be writing element like this. Then here you have to write element dot text context, or you can say content. Then right here is equals to like this. Then I will be writing load interval again. Then right here is equals to set. Then here I'll be writing interval. Now you have to write like this. Here you have to write is equals to. Then you have to write here element. So here I'll be writing element text content. Then right here plus is equals to, right here dot. Now you have to close this. Here I will be writing if. Then you have to give a space. Right here if element. Then right here text content. Then right here is equals to. Then I will be writing here 4. Then you have to just move forward, and then right here element dot right here text content, then is equals to. Then when you've written this, here I will be closing this. Then you have to just move down and right here 300. Close this. Right here function. Then right here type text, and then here you have to write element right here text. And then when you return this, here I'll be writing let index is equals to 0. Right here let interval. Then here I'll be writing set interval. Then you have to just write here like this is equals to if index. So here I'll be writing if index text dot length, and then you have to just move down. And after moving down, here I'll be writing element dot. Then here I'll be writing inner. Then I will be writing this tag like this. Now here you have to write plus is equals to text. Then right here chair 80. Then here you have to write index, and then you have to just move down. Right here index plus, and then here you have to write else. Right here clear interval. Then right here interval, and then here you have to just move down after this tag. Right here 20. Then here I will be just moving down. Right here function like this. Then right here generate, and right here unique id. Then when you've written this, here I will be giving a space. Moving down, right here const time stamp is equals to date dot now. Then you have to write this tag. Here you have to write const random, and then here I'll be writing number is equals to math dot random. Then here I will be writing this tag. Close this. Right here hexa. Then here I will be writing decimal. Right here string is equals to random number. Right here dot to string. Then right here 16. You have to close this. Right here return. Then right here id. Here I will be writing dash. Then write like this tag, and then here I will be writing like time stamp. Then right here dash. Write again this tag, and then here I'll be writing hexa decimal string. Now when you've written this, here I will be closing. Then here you have to write function. Then here I'll be writing chat stripe, and here I will be just writing is AI like this. Right here value comma unique. Then here I'll be writing id. Right here return. Then here I will be just writing div class. Then right here wrapper. Then I will be just writing here like this. Right here is AI again. Then right here end, and you have to just now write this AI here like this thing. Then close this here like this. Now when you've written this, here you have to close this tag directly. Then you have to move down, and after moving down, here I will be now just writing a tag which will be like div. So here I'll be writing div class is equals to chat. Then here you have to close this. Right here div class profile, and then here you have to write image. Then in image I'll be writing source, write this dollar sign, is AI again, write question mark, and here I'll be writing bot user. Now when you've written this thing, just here I will be now writing here bot user. Then you have to move down, right here alt is equals to, then here I will be just writing this thing, and then when you've written this, here I will be now just moving like this. Then here you have to write this tag, and in this here I will be writing is AI. Then I will be writing here like this, and right here bot, and then you have to just write give space, right here user, and then you have to just close this tag. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just writing it like this. Now when you've written this thing, just here I will be moving, and then after moving here I will be just now doing one thing. You can see we have just written all this stuff. Then when you've written this thing, just here I will be now writing a tag here, and then when you've written these all this stuff, here I will be now just writing a tag. You can see we have just written this thing. Then here you have to write div class, then here I'll be writing message, and here I will be just writing ID, and then write this again, right here unique ID. Then here I will be writing this tag. Then you have to write here like this. Then here when you've written this, I will be writing here value, and you have to just now close this tag. Now when you've written these all stuff, here you have to just do one thing. You have to close another div like this, and now you can see we have just written all this stuff. So when you've written all this thing, just here you have to now do one thing. You can see we are getting this unique ID written here, and at the top we are also getting this unique ID written. Now when you're getting these all things, here I will be saving this, and now when you just save this thing, you can see if I just write anything here, not here, if I write here, then when you've written this thing, just here you can see now it is just moving forward. So like this we are just getting. Now when you're getting all this stuff, here I will be now giving space from the down, and you can see we are getting all this stuff. So here you have to write const handle, then right here submit is equals to snake, then here I'll be writing e, right here is equals to this tag, then move down, right here dot e dot prevent default, then I will be open and closing this tag, right here const data is equals to new form, then here I will be writing data like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing form like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be now just giving backspace from here. Then when you've written this, here I will be now moving down, right here chat container, then I'll be writing inner, and then here you have to write plus chat stripe, then here I will be writing false, and when you've written this false, here you have to write comma data dot get, then I will be writing here prompt like this, and here you have to move down, right here form dot reset. Now here when you've written this, I will be open and closing this tag. Then you have to just move down after this, right here const unique ID, then I'll be writing is equals to generate unique ID, then you have to just write this tag, right here chat container, then I'll be writing dot inner, then here you have to write plus chat stripe. So here when you've written this, I will be writing true comma, then you have to write like this, give a space, then I'll be writing here unique ID, then here you have to move down, right here chat container, right here scroll top, so here I will be writing this. Now when you've written this, here I will be writing chat container, then right here dot scroll height, then when you've written this, I will be closing this tag, right here const message div is equals to document dot get element by ID, then you have to write here unique, then when you've written this, here I will be writing ID, here you have to write loader, then right here message div, then here I will be now write const response, then here I'll be writing await, then right here fetch, and then here you have to write https codex, then right here dash im0 y dot, right here on render, then write .com/. Now you have to just write comma, and then write like this, right here method, and then here in method I will be writing post like this, right here headers, and then right here like this, and right here content, and write type. Here you have to write like this, right here application, Then I will be writing slash JSON. Here you have to write like this, then write here body, and then write here JSON like this, and then write here dot stringify, then write this thing. Here you have to move down. After moving down, write here prompt, and then write here data dot get. So here I will be now making this tag, right here prompt. Then I will be just moving down after this thing. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing player interval. And now when you've written this, here I will be writing load interval. Then write here message div, and write here dot inner, and then is equals to. Here I will be now just moving right here if response. Then here I will be writing okay. Right here const data is equals to await response. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing dot JSON. Then right here const, and then right here parsed data is equals to data dot bot. Then here I'll be writing dot trim. Then you have to just move down right here type text. Then here I will be writing message, and then here you have to write div. Here you have to just move right here parsed. Then I'll be writing here data, and here you have to write else. Right here const is equals to right here await right response dot text, and then here I will be just now moving right here message div dot inner. Then here I will be now writing is equals to something. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing went wrong. Then when you've written this, here you have to write alert. Then here I will be now writing error. Right here form, right dot add event listener, right here submit, and then right here handle submit. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing form, then right here add event listener. Then you have to write here key up like this. Then here you have to write comma e tag, then right here like this thing. Then write if e dash key code like this thing is equals to 13. Then here you have to move down. After moving down, here I will be writing handle submit. Then here I will be writing e tag. Now when you've written all this stuff, here you have to save this, and you can see we are getting all this thing now. Here you have to write anything. So here you can see now when I'm writing anything here, so it is now running here like this. So when you are getting all these things here, you can see we are just containing all this stuff like we needed here in this tag. So when you are getting these things, just we are getting this unique ID tag which we want to write here. So in ID we have written this unique ID, and then we have written this value here in this tag. So now when you are getting all this stuff, at the top we have written these all things like I have telling you, and then it is just looking good, you can see. So here you are getting all this stuff, and now when you're getting all these things here, I will be now moving at the top like this tag, and then after moving here I will be now just giving a space. So here I will be now giving a space from here. Now I have to save, and now when you're getting all these things here, I will be moving here, and you can see now it is looking good like this. So when you are getting all this stuff here, you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be now just writing these all stuff. You can see we are getting these things here like we want. And now when you're getting this thing, just here we are getting all this stuff from the top. So here I will be now just redirecting. Then when you're getting these all things here, you can see it is looking good, perfect here. Now when you're getting this, here we are getting text context, text content. Then here also same as we are getting. Then when you're getting all this stuff here, we are just getting these all things, and then you have to write type text element text here. Then when you're getting all these things here, I will be now just moving to my file here like this. So when you're getting these all things here, I will be now just moving to this file here like this, and then here we have to style. So we will be getting all this stuff here. So here I will be now just writing here a tag. So here I'll be writing hello like this text if I write. So you will be getting these all stuff. Now when you're getting this thing, just here you have to now move at the top, and now we are getting all this stuff. So here I will be moving, then here I will be making one folder which should be named as server. So now here if I just show you, you can see if I just do it like this, so we are getting all these things here. So when you're getting these all things here, I'll be pressing Control V and you can see it is looking perfectly fine. Now when you're getting all this stuff here, we are just getting these all things. You can see these all stuff like we are getting. So now when you're getting these all things here, I will be moving at the top. You can see we are just getting these all stuff. Now here I will be just moving in this tag and you can see we are containing all these things here directly. Now when you're containing these all stuff, you can see now if I write any of the tags, so it will be just asking that it is working or not. So you can see, so here like this you can work, and this was our amazing ChatGPT app. So you can see here it is saying ask codex, and then we are just containing the text. And when you will be writing any text here, here I will be writing hello there, then here I will be writing this tag, then press this and you can see it is just now working like this. So here like this it will be working, and then if I press Control B, so these are the codes which we have done to link our this file here with this browser. So you can see this like this. Now here you can just run your terminal here, and you can just run it in your browser. So here if you write run server, so it will be also running your server directly when you will be writing here run server here like this. So here it will be containing all these files here which you will be needing, and like this you can work with this thing. And this was our amazing chat gpt. Here you can see we are getting codex your AI. Then if you write any of the text here like what is React like this, then if I press this, so here it will be moving forward. So here it will be working, and then you have to move to this browser, and here you can see it is again coming here. Then if you move back again, the text is coming with the help of the JavaScript which we have put in this AI. So this was the project of ChatGPT, and I hope you understand how we have built this amazing ChatGPT app. And if you have understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos. And share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things like you're taking. And I hope you'll be enjoying all the future videos also. So in future I'll be uploading more videos like that which will be helpful for you, and I hope you'll be enjoying that videos also. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials with more amazing stuff. So for today, goodbye.